So far in eStudent, you should now have accepted your offer, if you needed to, updated your contact details, enrolled in units, registered for classes, and created your timetable. You are almost finished. There are just a couple of things you need to do so that you are ready and prepared for the session ahead. If you look at the What's Next tab, you can see what you now need to do. Firstly, you need to set up your OneID. This is a login you will use to access your student email, Macquarie University Wi-Fi, and iLearn. It consists of your 8-digit student ID and a password of your choice. Click the link here to activate. A new tab will appear. Click the first time login process link and follow the prompts to create your new OneID. In this process, you will be notified of your student email address. Remember to take note of this. All correspondence from the university will be sent to this address. You can log into your email via gmail.com. If you have any problems activating your OneID, you can always contact the IT help desk on 02 9850 4357 or free call 1800 67 4357. iLearn is Macquarie University's online learning environment. This is where you will access all the learning materials and support for all your units. You can access lecture notes, lecture recordings via Echo 360, readings, quizzes, discussion forums, and activities available for students online. This is a very important resource for you to use throughout your studies. That's all for this eStudent tutorial series. Should you have any further questions, you can always call Student Connect on 9850 6410 or submit an Ask inquiry at ask.mq.edu.au. You can also search our knowledge base for frequently asked questions and answers. From all of us here, we wish you good luck and all the best for your future studies at Macquarie University.